All right, guys, iPhone cam. I don't have my camera with me, so I'm gonna record right here with my phone, which I really never do, but that's all I have right now. So, all right, so we're on our way to Fullerton to take the giveaway truck to finally get painted. Like I said in one of the last videos, the paint job isn't that good. It was actually painted really bad. It's one of those 500 cheap, easy, quick paint jobs, and they didn't do any type of prepping to any of the plastics, or oh, I forgot the wing. We'll have to take them the wing later on. They pretty much didn't do any prepping to anything, so I'm gonna be taking it to Gutierrez Auto Works. He is the new sponsor, and this truck is pretty much gonna get a full paint job makeover. So man, this truck's gonna look clean as fuck to whoever wins it. Don't forget, guys, this May is the last month to get your entries in. So, and Renee's over here with me too. Cute ass fool, huh? All right, guys, we'll catch you once we get over there, and we'll talk a little bit more about the color of the paint job.
Hold up, I need to.
All right, guys, so we got the paint right here, but you guys are gonna see it in black and white, so you know I won't, so you guys won't know, but there it is. And then here's the guy that's gonna be painting it.
What's up, you guys? So basically what we're gonna do to this truck, we're gonna change the color on it. We're gonna change it from the color it has right now to, you guys are gonna see eventually, but we're gonna do a single stage paint job on the truck. Basically the single stage paint job, all the material mixed together, but it's gonna come out really good. For whoever wins it is gonna win a badass truck, so you guys stay tuned for that.
All right, guys, like he said, whole different paint.
Yeah.
All right, guys, here it is. We're leaving it here with Gutierrez. You guys just talk to him, give him a follow. Crew Cab Boys.
Yeah, I'll talk to him.
Ramon,
What's up?
say what's up to the vlog. We're vlogging on the phone right now because I forgot my camera.
He didn't invite me. I came back from work and they're already over there. Charlie.
Well, we told you to come, bro, but you don't want to. You said fuck that truck.
Just like on Saturday.
Damn. It's Friday.
Just like Friday.
Yeah. You know that walk when you're like dropping off your truck and you're getting into somebody else's vehicle because you can't drive because you just dropped off your truck. Yeah. Well, it's like a bittersweet feeling. But yeah, one thing I'm thinking about is the red bed liner. Well, I mean, it's not even bed liner. They pretty much just painted it. I'm not sure if to leave it red or to go with like black or something. Damn, bro, you lifted your truck? This truck's lifted. Fuck. I'm not used to this. Damn, Kit. Can I put this in the back seat? Oh, it's a single cab. I forgot. Extended cab for the win. Can't put the seat back?
No, I couldn't fucking.
It doesn't go back at all. Damn, single cabs.
Of course.
What I liked about the 2016 Silverado, it actually had pretty good space for a single cab, man. Fucking loved it. You actually had like a little, like a nice little fucking, probably like 6-inch slot.
I do have that.
Spot being, oh, yours is like 3.
I have an extended cab box in there, remember?
Do you know how to get home? You sure?
Siri, take me home.
What the fuck? This shit locked. It locks right away? Can you pass by the other way so I can record the truck again? Bust a U-turn. El Cut Renee, la de la brown hood. Alright, guys, a bunch of people were telling me that I should fucking get one of these for the next giveaway. Let me know what you guys think. Should we get one of those or what? What? This one? Oh, dude, it's a fucking Denali, bro. Well, it has a Denali front end. Oh, that's sick. Damn, look at that fucking Durango RT. My bad, Hellcat. Hey, get off my truck, bro. Get off my truck. Or somebody's truck that's gonna win. There it is again. Wave bye. Bye. Oh shit, sick ass fucking V6. Sick ass V6, bro. Alright guys, we're in Fullerton 10. What should we do? Just kidding, we gotta go home. I work tomorrow. Damn, look at all these mamalonas. Damn, sick ass good. MC. Dude, that thing's clean. You wanna visit El Pulgoso? He's like probably like 10 minutes to the right. Damn, let's go to Disney. Oh. Can we get something to eat? Oh, okay, that one he said yes to. On our way home, 1 fucking hour. Actually, like an hour and like 20 minutes. Damn. Renee's trying to show off to the subscribers. This guy hit fucking 74. I think your battery fell out, bro. Oh, la mamalona. Fuck. 4-door. More what? 4-door, more horse. Yeah, I couldn't say that. Hi! Gorditos for the win! Oh yeah! Oh, you're trying to race his SRT? You're crazy. I'm over here with no seatbelt. So Renee's out here over here saying that we should tell our friend that he got pulled over and everything. All of a sudden a fucking cop appears out of nowhere and shit. I'm like, damn, you're gonna jinx it, bro. Some frutita. Alright, so I just realized that I didn't even make a freaking outro for this video, or I didn't even say bye, or I didn't even show us getting there. But that day, the homie Ramon met us up at the house. We tried to trick him that Renee got pulled over and that he got arrested and everything. So we stopped at the corner by my house before we go into the street. Renee got out, got into the back of his truck, and then we drove up. Well, long story short, Ramon didn't believe us or anything, so so it was a fail. But Ramon pulled up with a whole freaking steering column, I guess. Is that what it's called? With the steering wheel, the airbag, all the way down to where it connects by the headers. Because we're going to be replacing that. Because on the giveaway truck, the shifter is a little stiff. So we just want it to be smooth and not too stiff, not too loose for whoever wins it, you know. So we're gonna be replacing that before actually giving the truck away. But other than that, that was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. We're gonna be picking up the truck in about 2 days from now. So man, I'm so excited to see that paint. Man, you guys are gonna love it. Get your entries, guys, and see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody.